Today, we're taking this stunning black Camaro SS to the next level with a dual application of paint protection film and ceramic coating. This powerful machine boasts both gloss and matte finishes, each needing specialized care. The film is carefully applied to the gloss areas, ensuring a seamless fit with no bubbles or wrinkles. This layer is virtually invisible, preserving the car's showroom shine. With the PPF in place, we move on to the ceramic coating. This advanced liquid polymer bonds with the car's paint, adding an extra layer of protection and enhancing the depth of both gloss and matte finishes. The result? A Camaro SS that not only looks incredible but is armored against the elements. With PPF and ceramic coating, this beast is ready to hit the road, looking as fierce as ever. Trust us with your ride. For unmatched protection and a finish that turns heads, contact us today.